Hey boss, what's that for?
This is a restriction enzyme and some cells from the cannabis sativa plant.
What's that?
It's marijuana, you idiot.
Okay. What's a restriction enzyme?
Well, first of all, it's an enzyme, which means it's a protein. And then what it's used for is to cut out the THC gene. This particular one is made to cut out the THC gene.
What? Why do you want to cut it? What did it do to you?
Okay, well, first of all, when I say I want to cut it out, I don't mean I actually want to cut it like with a knife, as in to hurt it. I mean I want to take it out of the DNA of the sativa plant.
Gotcha. But why do you want to put it into a different gene?
Well, I want to put in a different genome because, well, let me explain.
Okay. Gee, thanks, boss.
So, using this restriction enzyme, I cut the THC gene out. Then, using a different enzyme called ligase, I'm going to put it into a different plant's DNA.
How?
Ligase is an enzyme which I will use to reinsert the THC into the corn plant.
What?
Basically, I'm going to cut a piece of the THC gene out of the marijuana. Well, I'm going to cut the THC gene out of the marijuana and then insert it into the DNA of a corn plant cell.
Okay, wait. Two things. One, what's the THC gene do? And second of all, why corn?
Well, Einstein, the THC gene produces tetrahydrocannabinol, otherwise known as THC, which is a substance in marijuana that makes people high.
Oh. But why do you want to put it into corn?
Well, you see, we're going to eat corn. It's impossible not to eat it, unless you're really watching out.
Well, I don't eat corn, only in the summer.
No, not just raw corn. It's produced in almost everything. You have corn syrup, corn starch, corn chips, and all kinds of other stuff.
If you hate the world so much, why do you want everyone stoned? Wouldn't it just make them all happier?
Yes, but passive and incapable of suspecting or resisting my great plans to take over the world.
Oh. But boss, what about us?
Well, I need your brains with your brawn in case that there are any stragglers. So, no corn for you. That is why I picked you all to be my droogs.